In this video, we're going to work on a division word problem. So if we have a problem like this that says, there are 40 people waiting to get on the bus. Each row on the bus has 4 seats. How many rows will be needed to seat all the passengers? So we just need to figure out how many rows are needed. We know that each row has 4 seats and there's 40 people waiting to board the bus, right? So divide the number of passengers by the number of seats in each row. So the division will look like this. 4 divided into 40. So that'll tell us how many rows we will need. So we're going to do this using the colors. It'll be easier to see. So when you do this type of division, you start from this side of the number and go work this way. So I'm not sure if you could see that. So you start from this side of the number and work this way, okay? So I'm going to use the colors. And also I have another, if you look in the description, I have a link to another long division problem that I did that was very, very detailed. And it'll help you going forward if you need a refresher. Okay, so first thing you do is multiply 4 into 4. So you start with the tens, okay? So divide 4, divide by 4, okay? So 4 divided by 4, and let's use the colors, fits into that once, right? 4 divided by 4 is 1. So now you multiply 4 times 1, okay? So 4 times 1 is equal to 4. Then you subtract. 4 minus 4 is 0. Then what you do now is you bring down the next number. So the number in the ones. So you bring that down to here. And we have 0, 0. 4 fits into 0 0 times, right? You can't fit 4 into nothing. There's no such thing. Imagine fitting a 4 into something that doesn't exist. You just can't do it. So then you just continue the steps. You multiply 4 times 0, and we know that's 0, and then you subtract, and we're left with 0. When you get good at doing this, you don't have to do all these steps, so you could probably skip this last step here, because you know you're finished. You finished with the number. There's no other numbers past here. Okay? And that's how you do this problem. And don't worry if you don't understand it right away. Practice makes improvement, and anyone can do math.